I'm at your side again, so much in love with you. But every time you're near, I can't say more or do. My words are in my mind, my lips are tied. I just can't say a word. Too hard I try. Each time you smile at me, I don't know what to do. Should I approach you, dear, and only look at you? Or should I turn my back and lead you through? I just can't tell you, dear, how much I love you. I spent some sleepless nights just thinking of you. When can I be brave enough to tell you my love is true? My words are in my mind, my lips are tied. I just can't say a word.